Understand this so you can get leads coming to you every single day. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Jonathan. If you guys are brand new here, go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what's your biggest question when it comes to starting an online high-ticket business and getting clients just in general. And today's video, we're going to go ahead and talk about the one thing that you guys need to understand to get high-ticket clients, to get clients coming to you and closing them on a more consistent basis. I didn't understand this until not too long ago. Literally, until I started creating content consistently, I started realizing and something started clicking in my head that outreach is good, but if you want to be able to grow and evolve, you have to do this combined with the outreach to go ahead and really grow your empire, to really grow your online business. Let's go ahead and take a break from that really quick because I want to go ahead and help you guys grow your business. I want to go ahead and help you guys design a strategy to help you guys get clients. I want to go ahead and give you guys clarity. So what I want to go ahead and do is just talk to 10 people, right? For the next month, I want to go ahead and talk to 10 people here from YouTube. I'll leave a special link down below where you guys can go ahead and get more clients call. This link will let me know that you're coming from YouTube. Now, this link is, I'm going to go ahead and literally just jump on the phone with you guys on Zoom and go over your business, see what you guys are doing right, see what you guys are doing wrong, and give you guys a whole 90-day strategy on what you guys should do for the next 90 days to get your next 10 clients. Now, I'll leave that link down below so you guys can go ahead and book that call. Now, guys, I know I've been MIA for a little while. I've been working on a lot of things. My computer actually broke as well, so I had to take it to the tech because it's still on the guarantee. And for some reason, it was like not uploading and not working, so I had to go take it over there, and they, were able to fix it and were able to take care of it. So I'm extremely happy about that. But now I want to go ahead and get back to my regular everyday uploads because I missed you guys. This break that I took like a 4 or 5 day break. It made me realize how much I actually enjoy creating content and how much I enjoy talking to you guys on a daily basis. So I'm happy I'm back, and I'm happy I'm able to create more of these videos. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go to my iPad like we always do when the video is good. I have the iPad out. I want to go ahead and tell you guys the strategy and the funnel that you guys have to really follow and understand so you guys can actually start building your empire, start building a flood of clients waiting to work with you. Okay, so the first thing you have to understand, and guys, this is extremely important to really understand, is that outflow equals inflow. I'm never going to get tired of saying this. So if you outflow value, you're going to inflow money. It's literally just the way business works and the way all of this stuff works, right? So if you're offloading value, you're going to get money. If you offload negativity, you're going to get 0 results. If you offload, being positive and just taking your daily actions, you're going to inflow good habits and good health habits. That's just the way this works, and you have to understand this because obviously, if you offload outreach, you're also going to get appointments, and you're going to get replies. And if you get replies, you get appointments. And if you get appointments, you get clients. You see how this works? You see how this mental picture starts, really painting out in your head? Is because outflow equals inflow. If you're not getting the amount of appointments, if you're not getting the amount of results that you guys want, it's because you're not outflowing enough. And if you're not doing that, it's because you're probably not offloading enough valuable content. Or if you're not doing that, it's because you're probably not offloading, you're not valuable enough. So you have to make sure that you're offloading value, and you have to offload good emails to get good responses. I jumped on a call with somebody from YouTube, and their emails were just terrible. Like, honestly, they were literally really bad. They had a lot of misspelling errors. They had a lot of grammar errors just in general, that people were like, why are people not responding to me? It's because they see your emails and it's such a bad quality that they get 10 other emails just like yours, but yours has a lot of misspellings. Why would they respond to you and not to anybody else? That's something that you guys have to understand. It's about being as perfect as you can be in your emails and your content and everything that you can be. It's about being the best version that you can be. I'm not saying to be perfect. I'm not saying go ahead and buy, expensive equipment. I'm not saying none of that. I'm saying just be the best version of yourself that you can currently be right now. And that's extremely important. Now that we understand that outflow equals inflow, we have to also understand that, when we outflow value, right, like we talked about, we outflow value, we're going to inflow money. This is what we said. And flow. So let's really draw this out. Let's draw the sales funnel really good. Let's draw the sales funnel and make sure we have the correct one. All right. Let's draw the sales funnel because this is very important. There's really 3 stages to this, right? You're offloading value. Let's say you're offloading videos, you're offloading content, like I am right now. Like I'm offloading value to you guys and inviting you guys to book in a call down below, right? This is what I'm doing. I'm offloading value. All right. what I'm doing right now is I'm getting all of you guys to be aware that I exist, aware that I have a solution for you guys. So for people who are, running a marketing agency, if you want to go ahead and outflow value, this could be outflowing Loom videos as well, right? You're outflowing value to a ideal client and you're getting them aware of you. Now, we have to understand that a percentage of those people are going to be interested, right? A percentage of those people are going to be interested in what you have to say. And a percentage of those people who are interested are going to go ahead and actually book a call. So let's book a meeting. They're going to go ahead and book a call, and a percentage of those are actually going to give you money and hire you as an individual. So now the key is the more people who are aware of you, right? The more people who are aware of you, of what you do, of your solution, the more they're going to be interested in what you have to offer, right? The more they're going to be interested in what you have to offer. And if they're interested, right? If they're interested, they're more likely to go ahead and actually jump on a meeting with you. They're going to jump on a meeting with you. And if they jump on a meeting with you, then what's going to happen is that they're actually going to give you money, right? They're going to give you money because they love you and they love what you have to say. But it all started at the top. It all started with getting people to know who you are. Now, I understand that, oh, Jonathan, that's going to take forever. That's going to go ahead and take a long time. I'm not saying for you to do YouTube videos like I'm doing. You can also do this on Facebook groups. You can outflow content, you can outflow value into a Facebook group every single day and answer people's questions. That will go ahead and speed up this process and get people to be aware of you at a faster level and get people to be interested in what you have to offer at a much faster level and get meetings at a faster level, because obviously there's a small community of people who will see your posts, like maybe 10, 20, 30, 40 people, 50 people from the get-go. Just by you offloading a piece of content in there, they're going to see your post, they're going to be like, oh wow, this person is actually interesting, this person actually knows exactly what they're talking about. And that's how you start building the trust factor. And in other words, we got to get people to really know who you are, like who you are, and trust you, so they can go ahead and give you money, right? This is the way it works. You gotta get them to know you, to get them to like you, to get them to trust you, for them to give you money. Now, you can also do this on Instagram. Now, if you want to go ahead and speed up the process even more, what I recommend you doing is create this daily content, right? Create this daily content, and then go ahead and message 20 people per day, 20 DMs per day. Now, I'm not saying message them, hey, I want to go ahead and work with you. Message them something light. Say something, hey, I absolutely love this post. I absolutely love how you describe this, this, and this, and this, and this. Or, hey, nice pic, bro. Whatever you want. I would be a little bit more detailed to catch their attention. Or even send them a video response to one of their posts and be like, hey, I absolutely love this. That post that you created on so day about this, this, and this is absolutely amazing. I would love to go ahead and learn more. That goes ahead and gets people to really start generating what I like to call conversations, right? They start generating conversations. So when you start generating conversations, you get people to be aware of who you are, right? You get people to be aware that you exist, and you automatically jump them to the aware. And now when you start talking to them, they'll become interested in what you have to offer, and then they'll probably book a meeting with you if they're interested in what you have to offer, if they're your ideal client. And if they are, they'll go ahead and book they get you money. Literally, guys, this is exactly how this works. Everything around pretty much online business revolves around this funnel. We have to get people to be aware of who you are. We got to get them to be interested in what you have to offer, and we have to go ahead and get them to book a meeting with you. It's literally that simple. If you guys implement this, you will start generating so many meetings. You'll start getting people to be interested in what you have to offer, and you'll start getting meetings on autopilot, so you can go ahead and get more clients and get more money. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys do want to go ahead and be one of those 10 people to, get on a call with me and be able to really design a custom strategy like this for you guys and give you guys a whole game plan on what you guys should do for the next 90 days, go ahead and book in that call down below. I would love to go ahead and talk to you guys and be able to help you guys out even more. So other than that, thank you so much for your time, and I'll talk to you guys later.